When you try to run the services.msc on your computer, the Windows Update service may not always appear on the list. Now, this usually indicates that the service is not running on your machine. So in this video, let's see what you can try to do to fix this issue. Firstly, run the deployment image servicing and management and the system file checker by going to the command prompt with admin rights. Run the following commands, and then enter them one by one. After that, restart your computer and check if the update service is available. Next, ask a friend who's running the same Windows version to export their Windows Update registry entry. So what they need to do is to export it by going to the Reg Edit, navigate to this path, right-click on the Windows Update entry, select Export, and let them share you the exported registry entry. Then import the following entry on your registry editor, restart your computer, and check if the update service is back. And that's what you can do if the Windows Update is not showing in services of your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.